Ever get tired of hearing the same old ringtone on your Xiaomi phone and want to use a new or your favorite one? Don't worry, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone on your Xiaomi device for incoming calls, making sure your phone rings just the way you like it. So let's dive right in. All you need to do is go to the phone's settings, scroll down, look for the sound and vibration or similar option, then tap ringtone. After that, tap pre-installed ringtone to choose from the inbuilt phone's available ringtone. To set a custom one, click choose local ringtone. Here you will find 3 music sources: recorder, file manager, and music. Now choose your desired music source. After that, select the tune and tap OK. Then press apply next to the chosen music to set it as the default ringtone. And there you have it. I hope these steps helped you personalize ringtones on your Xiaomi device. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. If you have any questions or if there is another issue you'd like me to cover, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.